first GAN cube. It's a magnetic GAN. It's GAN 356M. That's the name. That's the version of the cube. So yeah, this is my first magnetic 3x3. So yeah. So this is our cube. They give you something here. So this is the case. So the GAN company, it's a very famous for its magnets and its weight because it's very lightweight. So this is the cube. I'm gonna do some turns. So you can see the magnets on there and you can see how quick it moves. Yeah, so that's the cube, and here are the accessories. You a little pouch to store your bag. So they give you this pouch to, like, you can put your cube inside, and they'll also give you this. So this is just basically teaches you how to do C-form. So yeah guys, so this is my first GAN cube, magnetic cube also. So yeah, bye guys, see you in another video.